Here are 5 simple ideas to keep your partner happy and comfortable. Life is not comfortable every time. It is common that we cannot maintain the happiness in our marriage life each and every day. But following tips will help you to understand each other's thoughts and to carry out a happy and enjoyable marriage life. Number 1. Find out what he or she loves. Find out about people and music or other things he or she loves. The male partner is eager to talk to his partner about what he loves. And this will develop the mutual understanding between both of them. Number 2. Try new recipes. Make some snack that you don't always prepare for him or her. A simple diet is enough. Number 3. Try to give more attention to his or her hobbies. We should keep in mind to let our partners to continue their hobbies after the marriage and to support them in the best possible way. Number 4. Always tell why you love your partner. You have said many times that you love your partner. But have you ever said why? As mentioned by psychiatrists, "I love you" and "I love you for this reason" will make a huge difference in expressing affection towards to your partner. Number 5. Taking care of each other. Paying attention and caring for each other are 2 key factors in a marriage life, and make time to each other to share thoughts. Remember, happiness and comfort in life depend on the little things one does for another. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.